A business analysis involves systematically examining a company's operations, processes, and performance to identify opportunities for improvement and inform strategic decisions. The process typically includes identifying business objectives, gathering information, defining requirements, analyzing data, and supporting the implementation of solutions. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Identify key business objectives and stakeholders. Understand the company's goals and desired outcomes. Identify all stakeholders, including employees, customers, investors, and others who have an interest in the business analysis. Collect information and define requirements. Gather data on current processes, systems, and performance. Define detailed project requirements, including functional and non-functional needs. Document the requirements clearly and accurately. Analyze and evaluate options. Analyze the collected data to identify inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and areas for improvement. Evaluate potential solutions based on their feasibility, cost, and impact on business objectives. Use tools like PESTLE analysis to assess external factors influencing the business. Develop a business analyst plan and scope definition. First, create a plan for the business analysis process, including timelines, resources, and responsibilities. Next, define the scope of the analysis, outlining the specific areas and processes being examined. Support implementation and assess value. Assist in implementing the chosen solutions, providing guidance and support throughout the process. Continuously evaluate the progress and impact of the solutions, measuring their value and making adjustments as needed. Utilize business analysis techniques. Employ various techniques such as brainstorming, MOST analysis, business process modeling, and use case modeling to gain insights into the business. Communicate effectively. Communicate findings and recommendations clearly and concisely to stakeholders, ensuring they understand the analysis and its implications. Use visuals, charts, and other tools to present data and findings in an accessible way. Ensure continuous improvement. Business analysis is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. Continuously monitor and evaluate business performance, identifying new opportunities for improvement as the business evolves. By following these steps, a business can conduct a thorough analysis of its operations, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions that drive business growth and success.